Let's train. Exercise 1. Match the questions with their right short answers. You guys pause the video, do it yourselves, and then let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go! Does it rain in India? No, it doesn't. Do the doctors use injections? Yes, they do. Very good. Do you like French food? Yes, I do. Excellent job. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Transform the following sentence into the interrogative form and then into the negative form. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. It often snows here. Does it often snow here? Did you guys get it that way? Does it often snow here? It doesn't often snow here. Very good. Now, present simple or present continuous. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. Hannah never drives at night. Look. Hannah is eating all the carrots. We use the present continuous. Very good. Now put the adverbs in their right place. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. They go to the gym by bus. Never. They never go to the gym by bus. Excellent. I am busy. Always. I am always busy. Very good. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you guys understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next.